Hey guys, so I'm back with the part 2 and I'm playing again Quake part 2. Okay, this girl is pretty. I get a skin like that with a boy. And there's a bat in that. Okay, let's go play again. Wait, it changes the skin. Why not me? Dude, why not me? Nah. Wait, let me check the lobby. Slash lobby. Lobby. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go to the place. One quick. Oh, 1 minute, 3 seconds. Okay, then I'm gonna parkour for a while. Oh, it's using skin of Jack Frost Miner. Wanna copy here? Oh, is that really Jack Frost Miner? I want. Let me see. Jack. Nope. It's not this. So it's not this. Oops, it's been 6 seconds and it's 24/24, so this will be fun. 24 players, more the merrier. Oh, I saw a guy. Why is it so hard to load? Hello guys, so I'm gonna kill you. You too. I'm gonna kill you all. So that's it. I'm just gonna say. I'm gonna hit you. What? I died? I just kill you. What? I died again? Wait. So okay, I'm back for a minute because okay. Why I can't hit them? Oh, congratulations, you're now level 3. Well, thank you. Haha, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you, Joni. I just killed him. Yes! I killed him. Oh, Trade Gaming HQ is in a streak of 7 kills. That was cool. So, I'm the first. was found. So yeah, never mind. There's found twice. Where is the shop? Where is the shop? The shop. You can buy weapon rocks on the shop. Never mind that. So yeah, 6/24. No, not gonna join that. Lots of people there. I need a lot of it. A lot of it. I'm gonna move my watermark. Hey there, Tabish and Nay 190. Yeah, Tabish and Nay 190. Hello, guys. So, no one is chatting, huh? I don't know why. So, you're using Abraham. Excuse me for that, I'm sorry. Now, how many players? 4? Nah, never mind. I'm just gonna play hardcore. It's chapter 7. 100% I get that. Okay. Just gonna go here. And I'm gonna parkour. You parkour. And he's just burning in the end. Where did you get the flame particle? Flame particle. Oh. Someone's saying, yeah, where did you get the flame particle? It's like this. Wow, where did you get that flame particle? What? I'm really new at parkour in MCPE, but I'm really pro parkouring in my computer. But today I'm really sad because my computer is broken. I don't know why. I was just playing Roblox, and my computer something just explode. But my mom and dad just gonna buy next time. Oh, I really hate it. How am I supposed to finish that part? Why are you guys using skins? I know how to use it. I have a skin that has no right foot. I'm gonna show you that after my second game. Yes, I'm gonna show you. Yes. What? Why are you using a small hands? Why? Okay. So it's been 2 seconds, 1 second, and we're gonna die. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill that. Yes, I killed it. Trooper? Where are you, Trooper? Can't really see. Oh, the cell phone is my phone. Hey there, poor man. I kill you. Your head is hot. Trying to kill me? Huh? Oh. Waddles. What are those? Deadpool. Oops, it's done. So yeah, intent. Intent. Oh, I'm level 4 now. Sorry about that. My dad just called me. I was so dumb. How did I get that? Maybe if I reach level 10. Maybe. So guys, I'm gonna show you my weird skin online. So I'm gonna show you my weird skin online though. Okay. So yeah. Here's my weird skin. My weird skin. Oh yeah. My weird skin. Oh yeah. It's the same with the girl. In the girl before in here. Yes. So as you can see, my right leg. I don't have a right leg. I don't have a right leg. Can you help me? I don't have a right leg. Oh, someone help me. Please, I don't have a right leg. What you looking at, huh? What you looking at? You're looking at my leg. Oh, okay. So, guys, thank you for watching. I'll make a next episode. Bye. Thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe below. Subscribe, okay? Just subscribe.